Hi guys, so this week I'm going to show you how to make Keto Yorkshire puddings. So I've put some butter in the dish already. You're going to need 160ml of double cream, 2 eggs and 40 grams of arrowroot. So being on keto, you obviously can't have normal Yorkshire puddings, so I'm going to show you how these ones work. So I'm just going to pop this in the oven now and let the butter melt before we add the ingredients in. So guys, we want 40 grams of arrowroot. Let's spoon it. And 160 grams of double cream. And then 2 eggs. Then, as you all know, I do love my pepper, so I add a little bit of pepper and some salt. So guys, the butter is melted, and then you just pour your chosen amount in. So guys, I've filled this now and I'm going to put it into an already warm oven at 180 for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, so they're done and this is what they look like. Oh, got a little one in there. This is what we've got for our dinner tonight. So we've got the Yorkies, we've got chicken, mushroom, onion and spinach. We've got Brussels, oh there's bacon in there as well. Brussels cooked in bacon and cauliflower and broccoli. It should be for a good dinner.